You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more banking insights. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using these banking services. On Rome Tips today, we're tackling the question, HSBC USA versus Zion Bank, which one comes out on top? This video compares HSBC USA and Zion Bank, helping you determine the best fit for your financial needs. We'll delve into the features of each and explore which customer profiles they best serve. HSBC USA shines for individuals requiring global banking services. As a major international institution, HSBC provides a broad spectrum of financial products, spanning checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and investment opportunities. A key strength of HSBC is its expansive global network, servicing customers in over 55 countries. This makes HSBC an excellent choice for frequent international travelers or those conducting business across borders. HSBC's Premier Checking and Premier Savings accounts cater to clients meeting specific balance requirements, offering premium perks such as competitive interest rates and access to wealth management services. Their 24/7 customer support is a significant advantage, particularly for international clients navigating different time zones. On the other hand, Zion Bank primarily operates in the Western United States, concentrating on personal and business banking services. Zion Bank offers a diverse range of products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and mortgages. It stands out as a superb option for small businesses and entrepreneurs, thanks to its comprehensive business banking solutions. Zion Bank also provides competitive rates on loans and home financing products. Their highly rated mobile banking app offers convenient access to everyday banking functionalities. Zion Bank excels at providing personalized service with a local touch, appealing to clients who prefer a regional banking experience without the intricacies of a large multinational institution. In summary, if your banking needs extend globally and you require access to international markets, HSBC USA emerges as the superior choice, especially for frequent travelers and expatriates. Conversely, if you prioritize regional banking with robust business services and low-fee personal banking options, Zion Bank presents a compelling alternative. Remember to explore the links in the description below to gain a more comprehensive understanding of both banking institutions.